Neutrals provide a timeless, sophisticated, and elegant look. The key is to select colors that complement your style and the occasion. For a beachside gathering or a collaborating with a maritime theme, nautical nails are a classical choice. Begin with a navy blue base to emulate the deep sea. Then use white nail polish to create classic nautical elements such as stripes, anchors, and sailors' knots. Nautical nails exude a timeless elegance and are perfect for seaside occasions. Celebrate diversity, positivity, and inclusivity with a rainbow gradient nail art design. The rainbow has long been a symbol of hope and unity, making it an excellent choice for outdoor events and collaborative projects that promote these values. Create a seamless gradient of all the colors that promote these values. Create a seamless gradient of all the colors of the rainbow across your nails, or opt for a rainbow French tip for a subtler approach. Whichever you choose, your nails will radiate vibrancy and positivity. Gorgeous nail art is a testament to the creativity and artistry that can be achieved on the canvas of your nails. From timeless classics like the French manicure to the contemporary trends like ombre and geometric patterns. Nail art offers endless possibilities to express your style and your whole personality on your nails. So, whether you are getting your nails done by a professional or trying out your hand at DIY nail art design at home, embrace the world of stunning nail art and let your fingertips become a canvas for artistic expression.